Just the right sound.
How you doing, guys? I'm back again. I'm just today. I would say it's an unboxing of the Huawei Mate 9, but I figured instead of you know, breaking the seal and everything, I'll just show you what's in there. Um, Again, I had this phone also. I had it in black. For some reason, I used to like everything in black. Now I'm getting a lot of phones in white. So just got this one. It does have a white glass screen protector on it. So you probably can see that there's a little cutout for the Huawei sign. But this phone is a good phone. I didn't do a review on the other one that I had. So I figured I'd do this and just let you see what comes in the box. I mean, basically you get this right here. This is the case that they send with it. It's not really a case. I don't even know what you want to call it, edge protection or something like that. But it's real flimsy, real flimsy. You get the fast charger, USB, the USB Type C. You get the micro USB to the USB Type C adapter, and some headphones. Which basically, if you ask me, I don't know how many people seen the Axon 7, but it looks pretty much the same as the Axon 7 headphones. So I'm never gonna use them, but they look okay. I just don't like. They're actually kind of like Apple, with the plastic sticking straight out, and I can't stand Apple headphones, so I'm not even gonna try those. This is the box that it comes in. Huawei Mate 9. It's a dual SIM phone. Haven't even set this one up yet, and so we're gonna try that right now. Along with the phone, oops, dropped it. Like I said, I have this white. At least it has white borders to screen protector. It's a glass screen protector. Got some fingerprints on it, but I think that should be pretty good. Got some aftermarket cases. Window. And a plastic, regular plastic case. I put this on there so I can use in the car. So that way I can put the magnet on and have it hold it up. That's the glass screen protector. There's another one in there. Comes with two. I'm going to be doing an unboxing also. This is old, but you know, the Huawei watch, Android Wear. I know there's a new one, but I've always liked this watch. I have two of them. In fact, I have a lot of watches, but I haven't really done any unboxes, so I might do something on them. But let's just power it up so we can at least see how it comes on. Okay, that's kind of nice. I'm gonna try to compare it later on with the Nexus. Whoa, the Google Pixel. Well, I guess I should say Nexus because that's what it's taking the place of anyway. But there's no SIM inside right now. I agree to the terms. Yeah, agree. Yeah, I can hit agree to all. Brian Freeman. Want to connect to that. Let me take it and put my password in right quick. So it's connected. Let me put my email in. And the password. Do I want to make it replace my Samsung? No. I'll skip that. I'll accept. As usual, I'm just gonna set it up now, and I'll figure everything else out later. I'll probably reset it as usual. Prevent off the others on the phone. Yeah. Lock screen style. I like to use a pin. Yep, sorry, I gotta keep jumping off camera. Just gotta put all this stuff in. I could have skipped it. Restore from a backup. What do I have? No, well, I can restore from my iPhone or something, but we're gonna start this one new. From old phone. Okay, so I can clone my old phone, which I'll probably do later. Right now, I'm just gonna set this up so you guys can see. Enroll, fingerprint ID, whatever. Sorry. Alright. And here we go. Alright. Could always have one of these handy guys. I got big ones. Real big ones. Got boxes of them, actually. First thing I like to do, cut off that auto brightness. I would have it all the way up, but I don't know how that's gonna show on camera. But I keep my phone set at maximum brightness all the time. And I don't like this wallpaper. Only because it's the one that I have on the other one. So, I'm gonna just pick something else. Can't really tell if that's coming through on camera. Oh, that's good. For both. All right. So it's all set up. Monday, May 15th, 2017. So I'm gonna put these phones head to head. I already actually did a video which I gotta post up. Put in the Pixel versus the S8 Plus. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna post that video up. I took some videos and some pictures, so you guys can decide which one's better. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this right here, this Huawei. I'm gonna go out and take some videos, take some still pictures and things like that. Test out the audio quality, and hopefully I can get those videos up soon. So just keep checking back. Hopefully you subscribed, so that way you can hit that little bell and get the alerts. But for right now, I'm going to end this video. Just wanted to show you what comes with this phone. Give you a little bit of a walkthrough. Let me see. I mean, I see a lot of Huawei stuff. A lot of stuff you're going to have on here that you don't need. Like, I never use this TripAdvisor crap. Let me see. Of course, it's going to work like that. This is happening while I'm on camera. Put this back up where it was at. Alright, so I'm going to have to go in the settings and start deleting stuff or disabling stuff. Huawei consumer. It's got CNN already on here. It's got Lyft. This News Republic stuff that I never use. Sim Toolkit, Smart Controller, Smart Sound, TripAdvisor again. Like I said, I never used that. I don't know what this WP Office is. It's like Windows. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's like Office. It's got Twitter already on here. So a lot of this stuff I don't even use. And I'm supposed to use it, guys, but I don't follow what everybody else does. So I do have a Twitter account. I don't use it very often. I might go over there once a month. I mean, that's basically it. Everything else is kind of standard stuff. I mean, it's good to know that if you like Facebook, it has Facebook and Messenger already installed. So you don't have to go and put that on there. It's already on there. Google Drive is already on here. Amazon's already on here, even though most likely it needs an update. Let's go in here and see if there's... I'm the crying Freeman. Yeah, of course. 1,000 updates. And this is set up as new, so I didn't even like put my apps on. You like this booking crap? I would never use that. Never use the CNN. Instagram, that's iffy. I don't even really do Instagram. I have an Instagram, but it's just weird. I take pictures. I took a picture of a can and people started liking it. I don't know. News Republic. Yeah, so I gotta update all this stuff. Might as well update it now. Actually, I shouldn't have updated. I'm probably gonna reset this phone and clone my other phone. I like them all to look the same. But alright, that's the end of this video. If you're new to the station, can you subscribe? If you like. You know, hit that like button. If you don't, hit that thumbs down button. Constructive criticism, you know, it's always welcome. Let me know anything else you'd like to see in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye.